Hello everyone, I'll be talking about Aqua Aerobics in this presentation. In the past, there has been a widespread awareness being created for the need of physical activity, especially during the post-COVID era, where there is a lot of sedentary lifestyles being led. One such interesting ways of getting ourselves moving and staying fit is aqua aerobics. So aqua aerobics is basically any kind of exercise that is done underwater, basically waist length of water, and this increases endurance and improves flexibility and creates resistance training because the water has a resistant effect towards our body and also decreases the gravitational pull, which helps the body overall. And it is also very suitable for people who have locomotive. Various research studies have been conducted to identify for whom aquatic exercises are the most suited. And it has been found that elderly persons benefit from exercising underwater as it increases their flexibility and thereby reduces their risk of gaining injuries due to falling down. And there is a reduced impact on the joints. Also, persons with obesity have a similar experience where there is lesser impact on their joints and helps strengthen the muscles due to the resistance created by the water. And there is also a buoyant effect uh, in the water and thereby reduces the effect of their body weight on their joints, which also helps them continue to exercise. And also there is a reduction in the gravitational effect. Also, pregnant women have been seen to benefit from aquatic exercises as it increases their chances of having a normal delivery rather than a cesarean. And also when there is when such exercises are being are taking place, it is said to have a better effect on the child and regulates the heart rate of the child. And also persons with orthopedic and neurological difficulties have a more pleasant experience exercising underwater, and it is more suited for people who have had injuries to their legs or are healing from injuries, as the water also creates a sort of therapeutic effect. Certain set of research studies that were conducted have identified that aquatic exercises or aqua aerobics improve oxygen uptake, especially in women, older women, and also pregnant women. And it has shown to have an increased muscle strength because of the resistance and the buoyant effect created by the water. The muscles are strengthened, and there is also improved body composition whereby the body fats are reduced and the muscle tone is increased due to the exercise being done underwater. Water aerobics or aqua aerobics also helps in maintaining a healthy heart as it increases blood circulation and the flow of oxygen throughout the body. The body is also under less pressure as there is less effect of the body weight on the joints, which is especially why it is recommended for elderly people, pregnant women, and persons with obesity. It increases the balance and coordination throughout the body because there is also a form of resistance being provided by the water. It improves the overall coordination of the body. It's also said to reduce the stress, anxiety, and insomnia as the water creates a therapeutic environment for the persons exercising within water. And it is also known that it regulates blood pressure and also helps alleviate any kind of pain. That is one reason why it is more suitable for people suffering with degenerative health conditions, and especially like arthritis, which includes some sort of pain or chronic pain being present in the person's body. Despite the various benefits of aqua aerobics, there are a few downsides to be considered. Firstly, not all persons may have access to a clean, available swimming pool in their area, and therefore it reduces the chances of exercising underwater. Secondly, there may be a few medical conditions like sinusitis, where it is not recommended for people to exercise or stay underwater for such a long period of time. And there may be persons who experience hydrophobia, where they are scared of water, and thereby, even if they do attempt to exercise underwater, it may increase their anxiety and fear and have a counterproductive effect, as their experience would not be as pleasant as it is expected to be. And lastly, because is being done underwater, it reduces the speed of movement. And for persons like athletes recovering from injuries, although it is recommended, it may not be something that they are looking forward to. So we've already looked at the benefits and the disadvantages of aqua aerobics. Let's look at how it is recommended for a person to prepare before entering the pool for their aqua aerobics. So firstly, it is advised to consult a doctor whether it is a good idea to spend so much time underwater and work out in water, as there are some medical conditions where it is either advised or the body may not be in a condition to accept such kind of exercise. Secondly, it is important to get the right kind of equipment, such as chlorine resistant swimwear and uh, water shoes, to reduce the impact of the surface of the swimming pool. And also, it is good to shower before entering the pool, as it helps the body to transition into the time being spent under the pool. And just like every other exercise, it is important to have a warm up session before entering the pool.